So we're creating a physical barrier that also has odor to it. I shouldn't move the camera while I'm doing this. So I used maybe about less than a third of the bag, a fourth. Yeah, maybe a fourth, not even a fourth. I put some around the perimeter, I put some on top of the dog, and on the leaves, in between the plants. Now I overhead water, so these will fall down later. You could probably put them on at night after you water, or if you drip water or something like that, then it's not an issue. So we'll just see what that does. And I got a photo there. I don't know what Coco's thinking, except that it must be good because a human